The Samsung Connect Home mesh router system creates a powerful corner-to-corner Wi-Fi signal throughout your home for a fast, reliable connected network. It can even turn any home into a smart home, and I show you how it works right now. What's going on, Tech Squad? Andrew Edwards here, editor-in-chief of GearLive.com. If this is your first time here, this channel is all about tech, gadgets, and gaming. So if you're into that kind of stuff, feel free to hit the subscribe button down below, along with the bell notification icon so you don't miss any future videos. We are continuing our smart home series with Lowe's Home Improvement. Today, taking a look at this right here. This is the Samsung Connect Home Smart Wi-Fi system. Not only does it improve upon the Wi-Fi signal that you probably have in your home right now, but it also acts as a hub to control your smart home devices. As I said, we're working with Lowe's Home Improvement on this smart home series. Big shout out to Lowe's for sponsoring this video. If you don't know, Lowe's Home Improvement sells everything you need to get started with your smart home, including smart lights, smart thermostats, smart cameras, and more. So if you want to start building your smart home, head over to your local Lowe's Home Improvement store or Lowe's.com to check out all the latest gear. So what makes the Samsung Connect Home so unique? Well, right here on the box, it mentions that the Samsung Connect Home is a 3-pack. It's a 3-pack design. What you get inside the box are 3 of these Samsung Connect Home routers. And the question that probably comes to your mind right away is, why would I need 3 routers in my home? I have 1 router, I get decent signal, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. Why would I need 3 different routers in my home? Well, the problem with homes today is that there's so many different shapes, so many different sizes. On one end of the spectrum, you can live in a small apartment, and on the completely opposite end of the spectrum, you may have a 3 or 4-story home, and both places need Wi-Fi, but one router is gonna perform differently in a small apartment versus a multi-story dwelling. That's where the Samsung Connect Home comes in. The reason that there are 3 units is because they act in a mesh configuration. What that means is you plug one of these guys into your home internet connection, probably connected to a modem, and the other 2 you spread throughout your home. So let's just say you have a home where you have decent Wi-Fi, but in one area of the house, or maybe a couple areas of the house, it's not as fast or just doesn't even exist at all. You take the other 2 Samsung Connect units and you plug them in where the dead spots are, and they'll talk to each other. So in other words, if you have one of these connected to your router on the first floor, you can plug the second one in on the second floor and get just as good coverage up there as you would on the first floor. And then you can take the third one and put it in the far corner of the house where your signal is super weak, or maybe near your backyard where you might want to have signal as well. And all 3 of these routers will talk to each other wirelessly, spreading out your signal throughout your entire living space. Each Samsung Connect Home device can cover up to 1,500 square feet. So if you have 3 of them, you're covering a 4,500 square foot home. At a maximum, you can connect 5 of these devices together, giving you 7,500 square feet of amazing Wi-Fi coverage. You get up to 866 megabits per second on devices connected at 5 gigahertz and up to 400 megabits per second for devices connected at 2.4 gigahertz. On the back of each Samsung Connect Home unit, you'll find the reset button, a power input, and 2 Ethernet ports. You can plug wired devices into the Ethernet ports for a more solid connection, or plug these directly into your home network if your home or business is wired. That allows you to take advantage of even faster speeds with Ethernet backhaul, eliminating data from needing to hop between the nodes wirelessly. Now, as amazing as it sounds to greatly increase the footprint of your Wi-Fi signal, that's not where things end for the Connect Home. As I mentioned, these also act as hubs to control your smart home devices. That's right, the Connect Home doubles as a SmartThings hub, connecting all your Samsung and third-party smart home devices to your Wi-Fi network. And aside from Wi-Fi controllable devices, it also supports controlling Bluetooth, Zigbee, and Z-Wave smart home devices as well. This allows you to control a variety of smart home appliances and devices remotely. This includes security systems, smart locks, kitchen appliances, TVs, speakers, lights, and more, using the Samsung SmartThings app on Android or iOS. So what that means is that rather than having to jump between different apps to control different smart home devices inside your home, you can use Samsung SmartThings app, which the Samsung Connect Home talks to directly to control all of your smart home devices. I've found compatibility to be pretty wide and extensive, as SmartThings works with devices from brands like LifeX, Ecobee, Lutron, Honeywell, Yale, Philips Hue, Ring, Google, and many more. So if you're looking to increase both your Wi-Fi signal and your smart home game, look no further than the Samsung Connect Home Wi-Fi system. There you have it, guys. That was your look at the Samsung Connect Home. Any questions, drop them down in the comments below. I'll meet you there for further discussion. Once again, big shout out to Lowe's Home Improvement for working on us with the Smart Home video series and for sponsoring these videos. Now I want to hear from you. Have you started building your smart home? What devices are you using in your smart home? Or if you're looking for recommendations, drop them all down below. I'll meet you there for further discussion. Stay tuned for more smart home tech coming soon. Any requests, as I said, comments below, and I'll consider them for the series going forward. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this one, drop a like on this video and click or tap on my face when it appears here at the bottom of the screen in order to subscribe for free to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks so much for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andrew Edwards, and I'll catch you in the next video.